Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I'm LuceStephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit subscribe, give this video a thumbs up because it really helps out my channel, and turn that notification bell on because you don't miss any of my future videos. I'm uploading every single day in September, so if you haven't already, go catch up on the rest of the videos from this month, but there's still some more to come. Today we have an exciting unboxing of the first ever Revolution Pro Miracle Advent Calendar. This is their Miracle 12-day Advent Calendar and it retails for £55 and it has £91 worth of products inside. It says a super luxurious pro skincare Advent Calendar, the perfect pamper treat for you or them, supercharged skincare, featuring best loved viral products and new and exclusive lip and accessories. So let's just get straight into it. So obviously with it being a 12-day one, let's do 55 divided by 12, which equals £4.58 per door. So a bit of a spenny one, It's definitely worthwhile trying to see whether my discount code works on this as well to save some moolah. But let's just get straight into it. So this one opens up like this. It has like a little picture of the famous Miracle Cream from Revolution. And then this is what the inside of the Advent Calendar looks like. So this is like a cardboard Advent Calendar. Are you a fan of the Miracle range? That's what I'd love to know. I absolutely love their Miracle Serum. It's probably my favourite thing from their range, like completely. So yeah, I'm really excited to see what's in here. So let's start with day number 1. And these come fully out, so this can be reused. I know I've been watching a lot of Advent Calendar unboxings recently, and I know a lot of the comments were saying that they like to reuse them and put like jewellery and stuff in them. So personally for me, they go straight to the recycling bin just because I don't have enough room in my bedroom to be able to keep all of the packaging. Even though it's not something that necessarily I do, I know other people do, so I just wanted to mention that as well. So they come fully out in case you obviously want to put anything in yourself. But anyways, the first one that we have is the Miracle Lip Oil. This is obviously full sized. This is just what it looks like. So it says hyaluronic acid, peptides and shea butter. I actually opened mine up and tried it for the first time yesterday. This is one that I already have. It has like a rollerball applicator and it's very thin and it kind of soaks in straight away. So if you're somebody who wants like quickly put a lip oil on before you go in with like your lipstick and stuff, it's one that like absorbs very quickly. Whereas like for instance the Rev Pro Amanda Holden one is like a very thicker formula that will definitely last like the whole time that you're doing your makeup. Like I always had to put this one on before I do my makeup, and this one I could put on like last minute off, forgot to put lip oil on, and we wax them on before my lipstick. So yeah, that is the Miracle Lip Oil, and that one's just obviously like a clear formula. So that is day number 1. I'm not too sure if my camera keeps going in and out of focus. I do apologise if it does. But moving on to day number 2, this one is a bigger one. Ooh, the quality of this is actually really, really nice. And I like that it's not like a mini one because I would actually get my use out of this. And the inside of it's like lined, you know, with that material where you could just wipe it clean. So not some of the things that I worry about is like getting them really dirty inside and looking really groggy. Okay, at least you know you can wipe the inside clean really easily. But yeah, like a full-sized, like a proper full-sized makeup bag. Happy with that. I'm addicted to makeup bags, so there's no way that could be disappointing to me. I feel like because that makeup bag's quite heavy, it's like weighing down this bit a little bit, but it doesn't really impact you opening the drawers. It just doesn't look like fully straight, but hey ho. Moving on to day number 3. Ooh, new pulling all of them out there. We have, I think this is the headband. Yeah. Ooh, it's like proper Velcro. Okay, so you have like the headband when you're doing your skincare. Obviously fits really well with this collection. Would I say, I don't know actually, would I pay £4.50 for this? Is it just because I don't really use these? I'm not too sure. I'd love to know what you think down below. For instance, my mum, absolutely. So my mum was like I don't know if how long you've been watching my YouTube for, but my mum was, how do I say mum? My mum, I'm northern. Try to be posh. My mum used to absolutely love No. 7 skincare. Like that was all she would get. That would be like her addiction. And then I got her to try the Miracle Cream and she absolutely loves it. So I mentioned to her that there's an advent calendar and she was like, So I have a feeling I'll be kindly donating this advent calendar to my mum so she could have the pleasure of opening it. But moving on to day number 4. So I'm not going to swatch or anything in this because I'll probably end up giving it to my mum anyway. So we have, oh, this is exclusive. We have a Miracle Balm in a little tin. So this is an exclusive Miracle Lip Balm tin. So if you're more into like, it smells so nice. If you're more into your kind of like Vaseline tin era, that's going to be for you. So that's that one. Smells really, really nice. I can still smell it now. Moving on to day number 5. Ooh, I've already seen what's inside this one. I just had a little sneak preview there. We have a full-size Miracle eye cream. Again, this is one that my mum loves. I think for my mum, it's the same as me with this, where she uses it more in the night time, because it's just a little bit too thick for her during the day. However, you won't have. No, the video might already, the video will already be up. Yesterday, I filmed a video testing loads of new Rev Pro stuff and the Makeup Rev like Bright Light Face Glow, and I tried this for the first time, which is the Miracle Eye Serum, which is like a thinner, obviously serum-y texture with a little roller ball. I actually used it this morning as well when I was putting my makeup on, but I didn't film that. But yeah, that would be more for my mum for the day, and I think this is like obviously perfect for me and her on the night when you want it to soak in overnight. But yeah, full-size Miracle Eye Cream. Thank you very much. Really happy with that for day number 5. Moving on to day 6, which is, we have a full-size pair of tweezers. I know we had a pair of tweezers in the Revolution Superdrug Advent Calendar, which are like different to these ones. And I honestly don't mind getting tweezers in advent calendars. Like, it doesn't bother me because I know that I'll actually use them. And I go through tweezers so quickly. I said this in the Superdrug video because Blake always pinches them off me. And then moving on to day number 7. Be careful with this one. There we go. Oh my god. So these are Revolution Pro. They're basically like the little things that go on your wrist. Exclusive wristbands. So these are super, super soft. And you basically put them on your wrist like this for when you're washing your makeup off, and it basically stops the water from running down your arms. If you're somebody like me who struggles quite a lot with like sensory things, which is why I'm actually not wearing any jewellery because it's too hot and I feel like it's melting into my skin. So I don't have any of my jewellery on, none of my rings, my watch, my bracelet, just my earrings because I can't feel them. So if you're somebody who just doesn't like the feeling of the water like running down your arm when you're washing your face, these are literally perfect. I actually have some in pink already that I've been using, and it just gets rid of that whole dilemma. I know it's not like first world problems, but it matters to me. So moving on to day 8. It's a lot of like accessories in here, I've noticed. So we have an eye mask for day 8. This one feels like a really nice quality one. I will say the accessories in here so far have been a really nice quality. Like, that's really, really nice and thick and luxurious. Like, it's a really nice head like eye mask. I'm quite surprised by that. And it has a little Rev Pro on the label. I won't put it on because I'll get makeup all over it. But yeah, a little eye mask for when you go sleep. And that's day number 8. Then moving on to day 9. This is another accessory. I feel like we could have just done with a couple less of these. Do this one for sure. Let me just open it up. This is, again, this might be something that my mum would absolutely love, but not something that I would use. This is like a little applicator, so you can use this to apply your eye cream and it'll just help to smooth the under eyes. I just feel like maybe we could have got 2 in here. That's really heavy though. Yeah, that's a little applicator for putting on your eye cream. That would have been nice to have come in the box with the eye cream. That's day number 9. I think my mum would love that. And they're actually really nice as well, which I feel like is common sense. A lot of people know this, but just in case you don't, they're really nice to put in the fridge then, even if you're not going to use any eye cream, if you just want to kind of like depuff your eyes. Then moving on to day 10 is some cleansing pads. So we have 2 white cleansing pads in here. The actual quality of these feels amazing. Like, it feels so nice. I do wish that we got 4. I feel like 2 for like £4.58. I think that's what I worked out at the beginning. It's just a bit too much. 4, 6 I think would have been better. And then moving on to day 11. Ooh, so this is an exclusive Miracle lip oil. That's like a shimmery one. So we have a gold shimmery Miracle lip oil, and that's behind day number 11. And then going on to the last one, day number 12, you can see is a big one. We have a full-size Miracle cream. Just just looks like this. So definitely, if you haven't tried the Miracle Collection, I feel like this is a good way to try it. I do feel like there's a lot of accessories in here. It would have been nice to have switched, even if we had to switch some of the accessories for minis of the rest of the range, just for people to try the rest of the range. Like, I feel like the serum should have been in here because it's phenomenal. Like the serum, I mean, literally, I used it again this morning. Like, look. And I'm not one for skincare. I don't do skincare, but I can tell when I haven't put this on before I put my makeup on. Like, I can tell. Yeah, I feel like that should have been in there. And maybe just some like other little minis of like the range as well. So if it's like the lip balm, it was nice to have some exclusive products in there. Obviously the shimmery lip oil, and also have like the tin one as well. But yeah, it would just be nice just to switch up some of the accessories. But the ones that are in there are really, really good quality as well. So it just depends what you're after. It depends if you're into skincare, if you're not. I'd love to know what you think down below. As always, let's have a little chat in the comments. There's no right or wrong answer. I know I work for Revolution, but I don't expect everyone to love everything. I'm not going to love everything. Like I said, I personally would have swapped some of these accessories out and put more Miracle, like actual products in here, even if it is minis. But I'd love to know what you think down below. So much for watching. Please let me know, do you prefer me to have this like this? Yeah, I'd love to know what you think down below. Please go check out the rest of my videos that I've done in Vlogtober. I'm going to film now and unbox the Soap and Glory Advent Calendar and the Ted Baker one. But yeah, have a little check out my channel. I've also been uploading some shorts as well. If you want to go have a look at my shorts I've been uploading. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll hopefully see you in another video very soon. If you're wondering what's my highlight, by the way, it's like a P. Louise one in like a heart packaging. And it says, like, on the imprint, it says something about gold in it. That helps you work out which highlighter it is I'm wearing, because it's absolutely, it keeps making my camera go out of focus. And if you're wondering about my lip combo, it's the Anastasia lip liner in Peach Amber that Alex gave me, with the Vive Pinch lipstick, which I've used for the first time. And then I just topped it off a bit with the P. Louise Hollow Gloss, just to like peach it out a little bit more. But yeah, that is the advent calendar. I'd love to know what you think down below. Will you be picking it up? Is it one for you? Let's have a little chin wag. Love you so much. Thank you so much. Bye.